Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. Today's tutorial is about logging into Fidelity Bank Account. So Fidelity Bank is a multinational financial service corporation. It provides commercial lending, banking and cash management. If you have an account on Fidelity Bank and want to log in for online banking on your device, then in this video we will show you how to do it. So first of all, open your device and open a web browser on your device, then tap on the search box and type Fidelity Login. So here you can see Log into Fidelity Investments option. Just tap on it, then this will take you to the login page of Fidelity Bank. So if you have an account now, you can just enter your username and password. Login. First of all, use your username, then you need to enter your password after you are done. Now you can tap on the blue login button, then it will take you to your account online and you can successfully do your commercial banking and cash management online. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials.